To add a microphone in OBS Studio, follow these simple steps. First, open OBS Studio on your computer. Go to the main screen and look at the audio mixer section. If your microphone is already detected, you will see mic/aux there. Make sure it is not muted and the volume slider is turned up. If your microphone is not showing, go to Settings, Arrow Audio. Under mic/auxiliary audio device, select your microphone from the drop-down list. Click Apply and OK to save the settings. Now speak into your microphone and check if the audio bars are moving in the mixer. If it is still not working, right-click inside the sources box and click Add Arrow Audio Input Capture. Select Create New and choose your microphone device from the list. Click OK to add it. Make sure no other apps are blocking your microphone access. Also check Windows sound settings to ensure your mic is selected as the default input device. Restart OBS Studio if changes are not applied. These steps will properly add and fix microphone input in OBS Studio.